Hi everyone, welcome back to Hana Crochet Design. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my 3D frame using Cricut Maker. So I already have my design here. I designed everything on CROCHET app on iPad Air. I'm gonna remove the background here so you can see how the frame looks like, and then I'm going to outline the flower. The outline determines where Cricut is going to cut the frame. Then I'm going back to check my outline and erase some strokes, otherwise Cricut will going to cut that stroke. And I'm gonna add some 3D butterfly on my frame. So I'm just going to copy and paste some butterflies here. And I will also give the butterfly outline. Next, we're going to save this image as PNG with a transparent background. Next, I'm going to open Cricut Design apps and upload the image. So here you still can tidy up your image. If you want to erase something, you can adjust the size of the eraser and then erase the background that you don't need it. So the black image here is the cutting line. Click next, and then you want to name your image, and then choose the print then cut option. Click the image that you want to upload and then click insert. Next, I'm going to adjust the size of my frame. You also want to make sure that the operation type is print then cut, and then click make it. Click continue and then click send to printer. I'm using this Canon Pixma TS-A370 printed on double-sided A4 matte paper by Canon Pixma. This is a thick cardstock paper. Next, we're going to cut the image with a Cricut Maker. If you see your design space, there are some setup here. So for the base material, I'm using medium cardstock, and then the pressure I just use default. Next, I'm going to put the paper on the mat. In Cricut Design Space apps, they're gonna show you where you should put the paper on the mat. I'm gonna load my mat. And then after that, I'm going to press the Cricut button and it will start cutting immediately. It is very important to calibrate your machine before you use it to make sure that it can cut accurately. You only have to calibrate your machine once, and you can follow the steps in Cricut Design Space apps. Once it's done, you can unload the mat. And I'm going to use spatula to remove the design from the mat. The mat is quite sticky, so when you remove the design from the mat, make sure you bend the mat, not your design. So this is the result. I'm very impressed with how accurate the cutting is, and this is something that you cannot achieve when you use scissors. Next, I'm going to remove these butterflies. I'm just going to gently bend my mat and then pull it. And for the final steps, I'm going to frame this design. As you can see here, I'm using this 3D frame. I've got this from AliExpress, but you also can get it from Amazon. I already have my photo here, and you will also need mounting tape. This is from 3M. I'm going to cut small square and paste it on the corner of the frame. Next, I'm going to paste this butterfly on top of the frame. I also use this mounting tape from 3M. I'm going to double up the small butterfly here to give it more dimension. And that's it. This is how the frame looks like. Next, I'm going to put it in the frame. So this is the final product. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy crafting with me. For more inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram, Hannah Crochet Design, and see you in my next video. Bye!